Hey guys, welcome back to my page. If you are new here, my name's Elizabeth and welcome to Stumbling Upon Me. Today we have a very exciting video, at least to me. I mean, I like makeup. So we're going to be testing out stick foundations. I have 3 here that I'm going to test. I've got the Revlon Photo Ready Instafix. I've got the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shape Stick, and I have Flower's Pore Perfect Instant Blur Stick and Multi-Tasking Foundation. So I'm going to be testing the ability of all of them and how well they work towards my skin. But before we get to that, let's get to the issue in the air right now. My hair. So last time you guys seen me, I had long brown hair. It was half up, half down, and it was beautiful. I've done some things to it since then, and I've did it a while ago. Seeing how my roots are already coming in, but it's not to say that I don't like it. It was definitely a lot brighter before. I washed it a few times, but I like it when it's a lot more vibrant. I'll insert photo here. I still like it. I'm probably gonna do another orange over it, but my hair is hating me because it is dry. I hate doing my hair now, but hopefully with a bunch of hair masks, I can try to kind of get it back to its dignity. But a little before then, I had put more burgundy over my hair, which is what gave it that red violet tint in the first video. I think like 2 weeks later, I stripped all the color out and then I bleached it and it lifted all really well. And then I threw this orange color over it. So my hair hates me right now. And then I chopped it all off by myself at home. I probably should have made a video out of that. Brad Mondo would have been rolling. But without further ado, let's get into these foundations. I'm gonna put them all on my face. I'll probably do like one here, and one up here. One here and one here, right? I have already primed my skin, so I'm gonna pull back my hair and let's get to it. And I also forgot to mention, I do have my mirror over here, so I probably will be referring to the mirror a lot, looking into it, blending out with the mirror, just in case you're wondering what I'm doing. The first one I'm gonna try is the Revlon Photo Ready Instafix. I got it in the color 110 Ivory. So I'm gonna try to show you guys the color. That's the color. And what I'm going to do, I'm gonna do this one on my right side. So okay. Hopefully these colors match. I mean, we'll see. And I got all of these at Walmart. So the next one I'm gonna be testing over here is gonna be the Flower. And this one's cool too because it has like this priming stick on it. I'm not gonna be using that right now because I already have my own primer on. And then I got this one in the color 20 Ivory. A little bit of a trend going on there. This is the color of it. Might be a little dark, but let's see. Yeah, it's definitely darker than the right side, but still a very pretty color. It definitely could be like a summer me, because my skin does get darker in the summer. And then the third one, the L'Oreal Infallible. I got it in the color 401 Ivory. And that's the color. Well, this one looks like it's going to be the darkest of the three. So I have all three of them on right now. Now what I'm gonna do is pause out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go finish my full face. Here's the verdict. Well, giving them all a pretty decently fair shot. I would say my favorite is probably the Revlon, which was over here. The blendability of it, how it looks on my skin, it's buildable. One swipe is quite sheer, but once again, it's buildable. And then, I mean, it works really well for my skin. I did bake this time, which is something I don't normally do. I just wanted to see what it would look like, because normally it ends up looking really cakey for me, but it actually came out quite nice. At the end of the day, even though they all seemed like three very different colors on my skin when putting them on, it does seem as if they blended out about equally. I promise I'm not sick. It's just a little cold in my house, and for some reason when I put on makeup, I get the sniffles. L'Oreal actually probably had to be my second favorite, although I don't really know if it was quite a fair shot, given that it was just on my forehead and all that got put on it was like setting powder. So if you guys would like to see this one in another video giving it like a full face shot, let me know in the comments below, because I mean, blending out other things on it, highlighter, blush, contour, all that stuff, it may be different. It could be. And then my least favorite was the Flower, but maybe using its own primer made it it would make it a difference. So I can also do another full face with just this one too, if you guys want. My issues with that is, I don't think you guys can quite see it, but when I look in my mirror right here, there's like a harsh line that I just could not get to blend out. But I mean, other than that, I do still like it. All three of them ended up not really looking that cakey, which is a plus on my end, because I have an issue with it looking cakey. My go-to was Too Faced Born This Way, but I just moved back up to New York, and with the weather change, it looks really cakey on me. But when I lived in North Carolina, it looked really good on me. So now I'm having to find something new that works for my skin. But yeah, I would definitely say Revlon is going to be my go-to, and it will now be a staple in my makeup bag. But other than that, that is my take on these. If you liked this video, like and subscribe. Comment and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Other than that, have a good day.